विश्व भर में फैली नोवल कोरोना वायरस की बीमारी को मात देने में सरकार की मदद करें। आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि भारत सरकार द्वारा लागू किए गए लॉकडाउन को गंभीरता से फॉलो करें। इसके अधीन आए सभी आदेशों का पालन करें। हम एकजुट होकर ही इस बीमारी को हरा सकते हैं। घर में रहें, स्वस्थ रहें।
People generally do not pay attention until something goes wrong. But behind the scenes, our kidneys keep playing their role in maintaining our health. Hence, it is our duty to take care of them. There are mainly 4 types of kidney diseases: nephrotic syndrome, acute kidney disease, polycystic kidney disease, and chronic kidney disease. Today we will talk about polycystic kidney disease. Polycystic kidney disease is the root cause for the kidney-related problems in the human body. It causes numerous cysts to grow in the kidney. These cysts are filled with fluid. If too many cysts grow, or if they get too big, the kidneys can become damaged. It is the 4th leading cause of kidney failure, and it occurs equally in men and women. PKD cysts can change the shape of your kidneys, including making them much larger. It is a form of a chronic kidney disease that reduces kidney function and may lead to kidney failure. It can cause other complications too, like high blood pressure, cysts in the liver, and problems with blood vessels in your brain and heart. Now, there are 2 main types of PKD. Autosomal dominant PKD, ADPKD, which is usually diagnosed in adulthood. Although children affected by ADPKD are born with the condition, it rarely causes any noticeable problems until the cysts grow large enough to affect the kidney's function. Second is autosomal recessive PKD, ARPKD, which can be diagnosed in the womb or shortly after a baby is born. It is a rare inherited childhood condition where the development of the kidneys and liver is abnormal. Now, what are the causes of PKD? A gene mutation. A gene mutation is a permanent alteration in the DNA sequence. This sequence differs from what is found in most people. According to doctors, cysts are generally harmless in some of the cases. It may cause the outburst of the blood vessel, resulting in the heart attack or even death of the patient. There are signs and symptoms for polycystic kidney disease like change in the color of urine, sometimes blood in the urine, frequent urge for urination, pain in the sides of abdomen, swelling or pain in the joints and other parts, nausea. But if the patients want to have a medical test for the detection of the polycystic kidney disease, then ultrasound is most trusted test that is reasonable to get the precise result. Also, CT scan and MRI is the trusted test for the treatment for this PKD. We have the help of Ayurveda that acts as a supporting pillar to address all its symptoms and provide with the absolute and permanent solution in taking care of our kidneys. Ayurveda basically focuses on the do's and don'ts one has to follow. If your ongoing treatment doesn't show you any improvement or no pause in the declining of kidney diseases, you should definitely give a try to Ayurvedic treatment. And Karma Ayurveda is the well-known name in the Ayurveda sector, which has healed thousands of kidney patients from all over the world.